kami sa Tahanang Malakangganan at sana po napasaya namin kayo as much as napasaya nyo rin po kami ngayong araw. Of course, with all our volunteers, thank you so much. And syempre po, to Casino Plus po, maraming salamat for supporting this cause. And with this po, Ms. Lita, tanggapin niyo po itong munting halaga po na from AR Foundation para po sa Tahanang Walang Hangganan. Sana po makatulong. And yan po, so muli po maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of the day. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat and we'll see you again soon. Thank you!